Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with the dollar. And if we look at the dollar right now on the daily perspective, it has rebounded off the Z3 excursion and is in this kind of consolidation zone between the point figure, which is aligned with this Z3 excursion. However, continued price action down. If we look at the weekly, we could see price action going all the way down to 99. That would be a significant liquidity zone for potential bounce or retracement. Something to note though, this could mark the end of the crack up boom too as well. So as the price of the dollar continues to fall, if this holds on the weekly, Z3 excursion, the 200, then we could probably see an actual stock market decline at that point. Just a theory. Natural gas is continuing its move upwards. Right now between this nice squeeze between the RL270 and the 200. Oil has bounced off its point figure level. It's continued its price action to the downside. 2 years also strong, 20 years strong, 5 year and 10 year. Russell showing a little bit of weakness here. However, on the commitment traders, it is mixed. We do have a price target to the downside of 1,877, which is right at the RL90. Gold started its overall price move to the downside on the daily, is right now at the point figure. We'll see if this overall exhaustion candle holds. And we got a potential for an M formation here. It is crowded long to the long side, so we could see some folks getting squeezed out of this overall position. S&P 500 has shown overall decline, however its commitment to traders is mixed. And NASDAQ showed on Thursday its overall turn, or market turn at the Z3 excursion, which is a good turn. Overall down day on Friday, and the Dow has showed its initial downturn on Friday as well. It is now crowded as a strong selling position is crowded long, so we could see some price action next week to the downside at the beginning of the year. It's bouncing off the Z3 excursion, and we got a nice down move and follow the money to the downside. We'll see what happens next week. Looking at silver, overall gain on Wednesday and a minor loss on Thursday, $210 gain. Vito, nice pre-market reversal, $280 gain. Thank you. Beautiful gains all the way up until Friday. Overall gains of $900. Bull Z, loss on Wednesday, $120 loss. Copper, same thing, $90 loss. Cure, beautiful gains throughout the entire week, $2,382. Same thing with DDM, $1,640. Defense, $480. We had a loss on Friday. DPST, 2 losses, here and here, $1,920 loss. DRN, overall gain for the week, nice gain, $470. Dussel, another gain for the week, $902. EM, overall loss of $30. These pre-market reversals. IFA, overall loss on Thursday. However, a nice gain here on Wednesday. Gain $175. Earl, overall gain for the week of $72. EWH, beautiful gains here, $270. FAS, nice overall up move, $1,640. Gush, overall loss $310. Same with Hibble, overall loss $160. KCE, wonderful gains here, $761. LabU, amazing gains for the week, ending the year $6,010. Mutu, overall loss $400. Nail, overall loss of $550. Noble, overall gains with this nice up move, $600. Pill, overall gain of $350. Physical platinum shares, these are some nice overall gains for the week, $230. Retail, nice overall gains for the week, $190. SCO, nice overall gain on Friday. Crude oil short, $560. SOXL, overall loss $210. SPXL, nice overall gain of $750. SFIXI, good overall gains here. And to get back on Thursday, $1,625. TechL, overall loss of $240. TLT, nice overall gain, and to get back on Thursday, $450 for the week. TMF, larger gains, same formation, $850 for the week. Profit. TNA, $1,200 for the week. T4, $137 loss. TQQQ, overall loss of $320. TYD, overall loss of $168. UBT, overall gain of $70. UCO, overall loss on this pre-market reversal, $290. UDOW, overall gain for the week, and give back on Friday, $1,920. Let's take note that it is now crowded long and a strong sell positioning. UGL, overall gain $150. UPRO, $280. URTY, $1,130. U10, overall gain of $92. UTSL, overall loss of $90. Want, overall loss of $110. WebL, overall loss of $140. XPL, nice gains of $990. XHB, overall loss of $170. XHE on healthcare, same like with LabVIEW, $1,428. XLT, overall loss $305. XTN, loss of $26. Now, since this was a short week, which I think is important to note, there's usually 2 trading days before a major holiday that end in an actual drawdown. I've noticed this 100% of the time out of 4 holidays. The drawdown days were on, for this week, were on the 28th and 29th, respectively, and the best days were the 26th and 27th in overall gains. Overall gains for the week were 25K. Overall drawdown for Thursday and Friday was over 4K. So something to take note, because not all markets are the same. Stock indices are different from futures and Forex. The hours are different, and these trades are only happen on open and closes. So take that in consideration when you're trading the stock market, futures, and Forex. Each have their own different way of movement. I did not trade on Thursday and Friday, but I marked it as far as the overall process. To continue to track holiday, 2-day holiday trading days prior to that, and to kind of reinforce the process of paper trading during those 2 days. So again, 4 major holidays, 2 days prior to those major holidays were overall losses. Looking at oil, continues to make its move to the downside. World markets, we're looking at Australia is moving up. Swiss is consolidating. China was moving down, but this does look like an overall fry pan bottom. We'll see. Continues to move to the upside. Any movement to the downside would trigger overall price move to that downside. We do have a target though for the China 50, 11,749. It's right up here around the RL270. Spain is also consolidating along with the euro. France, pretty much the same. Looking at Japan, also consolidating with wide volatility in terms of wicks. It will be interesting to see where this goes. It does have a target of 33,835 to the upside, which is way up here around the Z3. We'll see if it continues to move to the upside as far as the Nikkei. Singapore has moved significantly to the upside, incredible gains, and the UK is still gradually moving to the upside. Magnificent 7 is starting to weaken and continues to weaken to the downside, especially Tesla. Looking at the yields, all to the downside and continue to move to the downside. 5-year, 10-year, 20-year, and 30-year, all to the downside. Bitcoin currently is moving sideways to up. Overall target though for Bitcoin is 29,743 to the downside. That's way down here. Okay, so based off this initial move, if the ETF does not get approved, we could be marking all the way down here, that 29,743 level. Oof, that would be a significant drop to the downside, which have us back here at normal levels in terms of overall trading prior to the overall announcement of BlackRock's ETF submission. Well folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. We're currently conducting a basic course, foundations course, intermediate, and operations course. If you're interested in programming in both PineScript or Python, or understanding the positioning, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and Happy New Year.
Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.